Hey guys, are you want to buy best rim cleaning brushes? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best rim cleaning brushes that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at ExoForma Bendable Brush Set. The 2-in-1 bendable wheel brush set is a game changer for automotive enthusiasts looking to clean every nook and cranny of their wheels efficiently. Designed to tackle all wheel and spoke designs, this set includes a large 16-inch brush with 3 fibers and a smaller 16 brush with 1.25 fibers, allowing you to reach areas a single brush simply cannot. Both brushes are crafted from chemically resistant polypropylene and thick wool carpet fibers, while the large brush also features a smooth rubber tip to remove dirt and grime safely without scratching wheel surfaces. The bendable design ensures effortless cleaning of tight spots, such as around lug nuts, center caps, and behind spokes. EVA foam grips provide superior control and comfort, reducing strain on wrists and knuckles. By eliminating the need for awkward hand positions, this brush set keeps your hands safe while delivering professional-level results. Durable, safe, and ergonomically designed, this brush set offers complete confidence in wheel cleaning, backed by a satisfaction guarantee. Now our second product is Oesee Handle Wheel Brush. The 4-piece car wheel cleaning brush set is a comprehensive solution for keeping rims and tires spotless. It includes 2 ultra-soft, fluffy synthetic woollies brushes ideal for wheel surfaces and cracks, 1 soft detailing brush for lug nut cavities, and a stiff tire brush for deep cleaning tires, making it perfect for all car wheel detailing needs. Crafted from high-quality, metal-free materials, the brushes are gentle on all wheel types, minimizing the risk of scratches while ensuring safe and effective cleaning. The comfortable silicone hand grips prevent slipping, allowing precise control during use. Thick synthetic fibers retain plenty of cleaning solution, effortlessly removing grime from wheels, while the tire brush tackles embedded dirt for a complete finish. The brushes feature flexible designs, capable of bending up to 360 degrees, granting easy access to hard-to-reach areas for thorough cleaning. They are low maintenance, rinsing clean and air drying quickly for repeated use. Durable, safe, and efficient, this set is a must-have for anyone serious about professional quality wheel and tire care. Our third product is Chemical Guy's Wheelie All-Exterior Brush. The Wheelie Exterior and Wheel Brush, ACCG08, by Chemical Guys is a premium detailing tool designed to provide safe, effective cleaning for wheels, tires, and various exterior surfaces. Its soft synthetic bristles are gentle yet durable, ensuring rims, tires, and painted surfaces are cleaned thoroughly without scratching or damaging delicate finishes. Perfect for intricate wheel designs and tight spaces, this brush effortlessly reaches areas that other tools might miss. Beyond wheels, the brush proves versatile, ideal for cleaning grills, emblems, trim, vents, and other exterior areas that require careful scrubbing. The ergonomic, non-slip handle enhances control during extended wash sessions, even when wet, reducing hand fatigue while improving precision. Constructed with chemical-resistant bristles, it withstands exposure to wheel cleaners, degreasers, and all-purpose cleaning solutions without losing performance. Suitable for multiple vehicles, including cars, trucks, motorcycles, RVs, and boats, this brush delivers professional-level cleaning safely and efficiently. Durable, ergonomic, and versatile, the Wheelie Exterior and Wheel Brush is an essential accessory for anyone serious about automotive or marine detailing. Now number 4, Suds Lab WB Premium Microfiber Detailing Wheel Brush. This premium microfiber wheel cleaner brush is designed to provide a safe, effective, and scratch-free clean for all wheel and rim finishes. Crafted with soft microfiber bristles, it lifts brake dust, dirt, and grime without swirling or damaging delicate surfaces, making it ideal for maintaining the pristine look of your vehicle. The brush features an ergonomic, non-slip handle that provides a secure grip and enhanced control during extended cleaning sessions, reducing hand fatigue while allowing thorough access to hard-to-reach areas. Measuring 17.7 inch, it is long enough to clean deep wheel wells and tight spaces effortlessly. Engineered for all vehicles, including cars, trucks, SUVs, and motorcycles, this versatile brush adapts to multiple surfaces. Beyond wheels, it's perfect for cleaning exhaust pipes, door panels, engine bays, and even mirrors, thanks to its flexible microfiber bristles. Fully machine washable and reusable, it ensures long-term durability and hassle-free maintenance. This microfiber rim brush is a reliable, safe, and practical tool for professional quality vehicle detailing. And our last choice is Bzczh metal-free soft wool cleaner brush. This high-quality synthetic wool rim and tire cleaning brush is engineered for safe, efficient, and versatile vehicle detailing. Made from dense, fluffy synthetic wool, it is 100% metal-free, ensuring complete safety for all wheel finishes without the risk of scratches or damage. It is compatible with any soap or cleaner, making it ideal for thorough cleaning without worry. The brush is flexible yet durable, with excellent bending performance that resists breakage. Its ergonomically designed handle provides a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended cleaning sessions. Paired with wheel spray cleaners, the synthetic fibers efficiently absorb dirt and dirty water, outperforming traditional PP brushes that often rebound debris. Beyond wheels, this multi-purpose brush is suitable for cars, trucks, motorcycles, bicycles, RVs, and boats, reaching rims, spokes, tires, grills, engine bays, exhaust tips, and more. The brush is washable, reusable, and extra absorbent, helping prevent dust buildup while reducing costly car wash trips. Backed by responsive 24-hour customer support, it is a reliable and practical detailing tool. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.